Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm Mr. English, your guide to mastering English and unlocking the incredible possibilities that come with it. Today we're diving into a topic that lights a fire in my soul and I hope will spark something powerful in yours. Big dreams. We're not talking about small, everyday goals here, though those matter too. We're talking about those massive, heart-pounding, life-changing dreams that keep you up at night, the ones that make you feel alive just thinking about them. Learning English can be the key to turning those dreams into reality, and I'm going to show you how. This is a 30 to 40-minute journey packed with storytelling, real-world examples, practical steps, and a whole lot of motivation to push you toward your biggest aspirations. Whether you dream of studying abroad, landing a global job, starting a business, or traveling the world, English can be your bridge to get there. So, grab a pen, get comfy, and let's chase those big dreams together. Let me start with a story from my own life because this topic hits close to home. Growing up in a small town in a non-English speaking country, I felt like my world was tiny, suffocatingly tiny. My family struggled financially, and I was stuck in dead-end jobs, hauling boxes or cleaning floors. Every day felt like a loop of survival, and I remember looking at the stars one night wondering if I'd ever break free. My big dream? To travel the world, meet people from different cultures, and build a life where I could inspire others. But it felt impossible. I didn't have money, connections, or skills. Then, one day, I overheard a tourist speaking English at the market. He was talking about his travels, his job, his freedom. That's when it hit me. English wasn't just a language, it was a passport to a bigger world. I decided right then to learn it no matter how hard it was. I scraped together free resources, practiced every chance I got, and slowly my world expanded. English got me my first international job, let me start this channel. And now I'm living a dream I once thought was unreachable. That's the power of big dreams backed by English. What are big dreams? They're the visions that scare you a little, maybe a lot. They're the goals that make your heart race, like moving to New York to work in tech, launching a YouTube channel that reaches millions, or studying at a top university like Oxford or Harvard. But here's the thing, dreams don't come true by wishing. They need action, and for many of us, English is the tool that makes those actions possible. Why? Because English is the global language of opportunity. It's spoken in over 100 countries, used in 80% of the world's top companies, and opens doors to education, travel, and connections like nothing else. Whether you're in a village in India, a city in Brazil, or a town in Nigeria, English can connect you to the world's biggest stages. Let's look at some real-life examples to inspire you. Take someone like Elon Musk. He grew up in South Africa, where English wasn't his first language. But he mastered it, moved to North America, and used it to pitch ideas, build companies like Tesla and SpaceX, and become a global icon. His big dream? Colonizing Mars. English gave him the ability to communicate that vision to investors, scientists, and the world. Or consider Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, the Nigerian author whose novels like Americana have touched millions. Her command of English let her share African stories on a global stage, earning her awards and a TED Talk with over 30 million views. These aren't just success stories, they're proof that English can amplify your dreams, no matter where you start. And it's not just celebrities. I got an email from a viewer named Priya from India. She dreamed of becoming a software engineer but grew up in a rural area with limited resources. She taught herself English using free apps and YouTube, practiced coding tutorials in English, and landed a remote job with a US company. Now she's saving to study abroad. Her big dream is to work at Google, and she's on her way. Another story. Juan from Mexico wanted to open a restaurant showcasing his family's recipes. Learning English helped him attract tourists, create an online presence, and even pitch to investors in English-speaking countries. His restaurant is now a local hotspot. These stories show that big dreams, whether they're about careers, travel, or personal growth, become possible when you wield English like a superpower. Now, let's get practical. How can learning English turn your big dreams into reality? I'm going to break this down into actionable steps, like your personal life coach cheering you on. Step 1. Define your dream clearly. What's the big thing you want? Be specific. Instead of, I want to be successful, say, I want to study medicine in London, or I want to start a travel vlog. Write it down. When I started, I wrote, I want to speak English fluently and inspire others through my story. That clarity kept me focused. Pause this video, grab a pen, and write your dream. Say it out loud. My big dream is... Feel the excitement? That's your starting line. Step 2. Build a daily English habit tailored to your dream. If you want to study abroad, focus on academic English, read articles on your subject, watch TED Talks, or practice essay writing. If your dream is business, learn terms like revenue, marketing, or pitch. Use apps like Duolingo for basics or LinkU for advanced vocabulary. Spend 20 to 30 minutes a day, no excuses. I used to listen to English podcasts while washing dishes. Every minute counts. Make it fun. If you dream of travel, watch travel vlogs or listen to songs like Sweet Home Alabama to pick up cultural phrases. Consistency is your secret weapon. Step 3. Speak English to build confidence. Big dreams often involve communicating, pitching ideas, interviewing, networking. Practice speaking from day one. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to find language partners. Record yourself answering questions like, what's your biggest dream? And listen back to improve. Join online communities like Reddit's Our Dreams or my channel's comments section to share your goals in English. When I started, I'd talk to myself in the mirror, pretending I was giving a TED Talk. It felt silly, but it built my courage. Don't wait for perfection. Start talking now. Step 4. Immerse yourself in English related to your dream. Surround yourself with the language. Change your phone to English. Follow influencers in your field on X or YouTube, and read books or articles tied to your goal. If you dream of fashion, read Vogue's website. If it's tech, follow TechCrunch. I immerse myself by watching travel shows like Anthony Bourdain, Parts Unknown to fuel my wanderlust. Create an English bubble, label things in your room, like desk or dream board, to reinforce words daily. Step 5. Connect with dream chasers in English. Find communities where people share your vision. Want to be an entrepreneur? Join English-speaking startup groups on LinkedIn. Love art? Follow English forums like DeviantArt. I found an online group of aspiring content creators, and their feedback helped me launch this channel. Networking in English opens doors to mentors, collaborators, and opportunities worldwide. Don't be shy, say, "Hi, I'm passionate about your dream. Can we chat?" You'd be amazed how many doors swing open. Let's tackle obstacles because big dreams come with big challenges. Fear of failure is a big one. I used to worry I'd never sound fluent, but every mistake taught me something. If you mess up, laugh it off and keep going. Time is another hurdle. If you're busy, carve out 15 minutes before bed or during lunch. Lack of resources? Use free tools, YouTube, BBC Learning English, or libraries. No one's journey is perfect, but every step forward counts. Now, let's go deeper. How does English fuel specific dreams? For education, it's your ticket to scholarships at places like MIT or Cambridge. Many require tests like IELTS or TOEFL, so start practicing now. For careers, English makes your resume stand out. A friend of mine got hired at a multinational because she could present in English. For travel, English lets you navigate airports, hotels, and local cultures with ease. I once used my English to negotiate a better hotel rate in Thailand, saved me $50. For creativity, like writing or vlogging, English connects you to a global audience. My channel wouldn't exist without it. Here's an advanced tip. Learn field-specific English. If you dream of being a doctor, study medical terms like diagnosis or prognosis. If it's music, learn words like rhythm or harmony. Use resources like Coursera for courses in English. This makes you a pro in your niche. Another tip, practice storytelling.
Big dreams need you to sell your vision.
Practice describing your goals in English like, I want to open a sustainable fashion brand to empower local artisans. Record it, refine it, own it. Let's talk mindset. Big dreams require belief. English isn't just words, it's confidence, discipline, resilience. Every new phrase you learn is a brick in your dream's foundation. Celebrate small wins. Understanding a movie without subtitles, nailing a job interview question, or chatting with a native speaker. When I first understood a full English radio show, I danced around my room. Those moments fuel you. Inspiring story time. A viewer named Asha from Kenya dreamed of being a pilot. She learned English to pass aviation exams in the UK, practiced with flight simulators using English manuals, and is now training to fly commercial planes. Her email said, English made my wings real. That's what I want for you, wings to soar. As we near the end, visualize your dream. Picture yourself giving a speech, signing a deal, or exploring a new country, all in English. That's not a fantasy, it's your future. Start today. Write one sentence about your dream in English. Share it in the comments. I'll read every one. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Tell me in the comments, what's your big dream? And how will English help you get there? Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep learning English, and keep pushing forward. You've got this. See you soon on Mr. English Talks.